Hi, and welcome back to Tam's Tips. Today we're in the office learning some tech tips. Have you ever had this problem, the SD card problem, where you put it in a camera or a computer and it doesn't work and you start to freak out because you've got a lot of awesome stuff on that SD card? See, this one's saying card. Let me teach you a few things that it could be. I've identified on this SD card that it's a problem with the lock, and a lot of times that's what the problem is going to be. Sometimes the lock can be halfway between unlocked and locked, and the camera or the computer has a hard time reading it. The other problem, like this one today, is that the lock fell off. I have no idea where it went. It's probably somewhere here on the floor, but I have a little trick to show you what you can do. Going to need a little Scotch tape, or masking tape I think would work too. Just gonna get a little piece of Scotch tape and I cut it about as big as a lock would be. So just tiny. Okay, let me do another one of those right here. Okay, and cut it again, so that I have a piece of Scotch tape that's just about as big as that lock would have been, as far as the height. Then I'm going to put the tape, first I'm going to choose a position. Do I want it to be locked or unlocked? I want it to be unlocked. I'm going to just put it right over this part right here. See that? Okay, now we've got our SD card with a little bit of tape on it. Let's try it again. This time it still says card. Okay, it's not big enough. I'm going to add some more tape. Until we can trick it to thinking that that lock is there. At least long enough to get the pictures and videos off, right? There we go. It no longer is giving me the card error. So now I can go ahead and record on it and take a picture. Yep. And also, if I insert it into my computer, it will work too. Be careful when you're taking it out. The tape gets kind of stuck. Make sure it's really good and down. Let's try it in the computer. I got my Finder window. There's my card. And sure enough, here's the picture that we just took in my office. So there you have it. An awesome way to get around an SD card that's not working because of a lock problem.